Hello everyone, this is Rafe with Greenpointe Wood Floor Supply. Back to do another brief product overview on the new American Sanders Epoch HD. So this machine is a redesigned version of the traditional Epoch that we all know and love. So as I'm sure you know, the Epoch originally was a 110 machine, and it's still available, but it's a 110 machine. It's got these same weights with the slip pin to take them off. And then it's a 2-speed machine, so on the back you can see here we've got slow speed and high speed. High speed is essentially doubling the speed of a traditional buffer, and thereby increasing your aggressiveness. The difference now on the Epoch HD is they have gone ahead and fixed one of the biggest problems that we ran across with the original Epoch, was that it was a 110 motor, but it was pulling far too many amps because of the weights and the lower grits and the high speed. It tended to pop breakers. So the HD is the updated 220 version, direct competition for the Bona Power Drive and for the Pullman Spider. The other little feature that they have integrated that you'll see down here is these little wheels that sit underneath of the main wheel. So these serve two different purposes. The first one being, if you were to have a pad on the bottom of your buffer, it's going to sit like this. So this wheel keeps the weight of this off the back of your pad. So basically what that means is that it creates the whole machine, it sits level then on the pad, and it doesn't warp or bend your pad in the rear. The other difference that these smaller wheels make is, traditionally when you go to rock your buffer back, you got to put your foot here and pull it back. But those wheels there is your brace now. You can just pop that straight back, and you don't have to use your foot. You don't have to get in here to let it down like this. You just use the same application, let it down nice and easy, and that's it. Now, those wheels come out of the way when you lower the buffer handle to use it. If you were to work on a floor, obviously you don't want those wheels there, so you just lift this handle to lower the main handle, and that pulls those wheels up out of the way. Tighten it up just like always, and away you go. Then when you're done with the floor, those wheels will just drop back into place and continue serving their purpose. So that's it, guys. This is the new, again, American Sanders Epoch HD. It's a great machine, great new tool for your arsenal. For those of you who are out there experiencing any issues with the traditional Epoch, this could be your next step. If you're interested in purchasing one, feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you follow our channel, check out the rest of our content. Thanks again, have a great day and a great week from the team at Greenpointe.